I played Black Myth Wukong on the Skytech King 95 and ascended to the cloud. Ever feel like your gaming setup is gaslighting you? 1 second you're mid-fight in Elden Ring, the next, boom, lag, dropped frames, fan whine louder than your existential crisis. You tweak settings, update drivers, do rain dances. Nothing works. You've got a killer K/D ratio trapped inside a budget rig. Sound familiar? The stress of unreliable hardware isn't just annoying, it's soul-sucking. Whether you're a streamer on the grind or a casual player who just wants to enjoy their damn game, it's exhausting fighting your PC harder than your in-game enemies. Let's keep it real, garbage-tier hardware isn't just slowing your game, it's wrecking your vibe. You're missing headshots in Valorant, stuttering through Call of Duty, and feeling like your rig was built for Minesweeper, not modern AAA monsters. Deadlines pile up. You're creatively fried. Your wallet's aching from upgrades that barely help. Meanwhile, other players flex buttery 1440p on Ultra like it's no big deal. You're stuck rage restarting mid-battle, losing rank, losing sanity, maybe even questioning your life choices. If your desktop's older than your last heartbreak, it's time to stop suffering. Meet your new co-op partner in crime. The Skytech King 95 gaming PC. This beast ain't just another tower, it's a next-gen juggernaut. Armed with an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, an RTX 5070, 12GB GDDR7, this bad boy chews through Fortnite, GTA 5, and Black Myth Wukong like popcorn. With 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and a liquid-cooled 360mm AIO, it's like giving your gaming life a Red Bull 4 drip. No thermal throttling. No stutter. Just raw, buttery power. You didn't come this far to be held back by lag, King 95 lets you play like royalty. Imagine a setup that turns on faster than your ex's red flags. The King 95 is plug-and-play perfection, stream, edit, multitask, and game without sweating frame drops or fan rage. The RGB alone? Hypnotic. And it's not just looks, this PC delivers elite performance right out of the box with no bloatware, a solid warranty, and expert US-based assembly. Want to hit Ultra on everything from Helloverse 2 to Counter-Strike 2? Done. Curious if it's worth the hype? Scroll down. Read the reviews. Feel the power calling you home. This isn't just a flex, it's a full-blown blow-up. Thousands of gamers have already made the switch, so what are you waiting for? Don't wait till your next crash rage quits you. The Skytech King 95 is flying off shelves like cheat codes at a LAN party. Supplies are limited. Prices are creeping. Your future highlight reel deserves this kind of firepower. Still unsure? You've got a 1-year warranty, free tech support, and a system designed to win. Be bold. Be faster. Be legendary. Smash that link, claim your throne, and let the world know you don't play games, you dominate them.